In this video, we are going to split an object in Tinkercad from an STL file so that we can make it easier to 3D print. So first I have this object here. I'm going to stretch it out just to kind of help illustrate the point. You'll see these tapers. If we tried to 3D print the object like that, having those tapers, you would have to add supports in order to get it to 3D print correctly. But we're not going to do that. We're actually going to split this object in half and align it vertically. That way we can 3D print without adding any objects. So first we want to just grab a square and actually change it to a negative space. And then we would just want to make the cube large enough to where that it can kind of encapsulate half of the object that we want to split. So drag the object over half, and we have half of it covered. Then we just want to duplicate this square, just make a copy. And once we have that copy, we can actually line it over to the other side. So now we have two squares, each containing half of the object. Now once we have this, the problem is that we can't select the object. If we try to click on it, we'll just click the squares. So now we have everything that we need to split this up. So zoom back in and click on one of these, come back out, and then shift click one of the sides of the boxes and then click group. So now you can see it's only highlighting half of the box because we've effectively erased one of over here. So now you can click the one that's exposed and then come back up and shift click group again. And now we have two sides of the model, which we can rotate. And now everything is in perfect position to be 3D printed, and you are one step closer to earning your badge.